At first, I was worried a lot because I had never been to Singapore. However, I applied it because it was a rare opportunity. English classes that took place throughout the summer vacation were very difficult, but going on board helped me to talk to IT students. Also, about 2 months of hair and makeup job training helped me share and compete with IT local people. I had a valuable experience to visit the shops of local people and listen to their stories. This allowed me to think about my future career in various ways. And while visiting tourist attractions in Singapore, I was able to feel various local people and local cultures. I was able to gain various experience and learning during the week. Thank you for creating such a great opportunity.